Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to C2C Mentors. आज मेरे साथ हैं and we're gonna be talking to them. I'm gonna ask you some serious questions, ठीक है? To be honest in your approach, I've got Sabrajit with me. I've got Disha with me. ये सब first year. The first year because IMF, so we get a lot of mixed reviews कि कोई कहता है. So I'm very sure आपने जब join, right? आपने due diligence research. So I want to start with why IMF joined this.
Sir, so I scored around 91% in CMAT, and with that I got Wellington Retail, Soil, Eisner, and IMF. So also one of yes, so two of my brothers were in the IMF brand itself in New Delhi and Bhubaneswar. So from there I got to know about the brand itself, and when I cross-checked with some of my seniors as well as my brothers, so the ROI factor here was pretty decent for me. And I also wanted to come out from my home city, so Bhubaneswar was the best choice for me to go and stay near about my home as well, and it's also outside of my city, so that's why I go with IMF.
Okay, so you left Wellinger, you left. These are all good ones. I hope you don't regret leaving all these colleges.
No, I don't
Okay, I'm gonna come back to you on that front. Disha, why did you choose Nishwar?
Okay, so I scored somewhere around 84 percentile in my CMAT. And the colleges that I converted were IBS Hyderabad, Noida, and obviously I'm a Bhubaneswar. So when I compared all these colleges and when I cross-checked about the ROI, I found IMI Bhubaneswar's ROI to be pretty decent. And amongst the four colleges that I converted, IMI Bhubaneswar was the best bet for me, so I joined IMI.
Okay, I'm gonna come back to Ishika. Okay, there's a reason why I'm talking to you at the end of this. So he's a placement committee member. Number one, very important. But yeah, you told me that you are running into the 19th internship.
Yes.
Why? इन्होंने 19 internships लगाए हैं. Can you tell me, madam?
Sir, so honestly, to gain hands-on exposure in the corps. So I started my internships when I was in my 10th standard. Without where I exactly would want to move.
Okay, people. Okay, you're so focused, but I'm happy. I'm glad to see that some students are really good. So guys, again, but I think she hails from Delhi, if I'm not wrong. Okay,
Yes, I've done my BCom from St. Xavier's College.
to be very honest, right? And Shika hails from DU, by the way. And look at the profile. You're getting my point. So happy to have you. You're also placement committee member. So I will be asking you some internal information, by the way. But tell me your reason to join. Being so smart, got a good profile. What all colleges you had?
So for me, it was like I really wanted to, like every other candidate, I wanted to land up in, a top notch college. So IMI being a brand and, first corporate funded associated with RP Sanjeev Goenka as well. I thought it would be a absolutely, great opportunity, great exposure all in for that. So that was, the sole reason I opted for IMI. And, then I connected with a few LinkedIn seniors over LinkedIn as well. So they also, suggested me that, yeah, I might do great in terms of, summer internships, or you talk about average placements as well, because every other student who walks through brochure looks for average CTC only these days. So, the figures that were displayed on the brochure as well, they were absolutely perfect. So that is the reason post comparison, I thought of moving to.
Okay, enlighten us about what sort of companies are coming in, if you're allowed to do so. And number, please go ahead.
Sir, so our highest placement went around somewhere 41 lakh. And the average was 14 lakh 34,000 in terms of CTC. Talking about the summer internships, we had, really great companies on board like ITC, we had BNY, then we had Capgemini as well, which is our loyal recruiter. We had Magic Pen on board this year. Then we had Decathlon from Decathlon. He's interning there. Then we had Lakshita Fashions on board as well. So these were some of the companies that were onboarded for summer internships.
Okay. And if you can give me a little idea, where are you currently interning?
Yes, sir. So I'm interning at Decathlon in Bangalore.
Damn, that's a good brand. Decathlon is a good brand, to be very honest. And what's your profile?
Sir, my profile is Omnisports Advisor. It's mainly looking after the merchandising and the sales part, and also promoting certain communities and events through particular sports.
Good, not bad. So tell me one thing. I mean, you guys can answer this. अगर मैं industry wise देखूं, marketing, sales, finance, operations, HR, can you tell profiles are रही है जैसे finance में equity research and banking are. I think I'm not sure what sort of profile it gives.
So Ishika can help in this share,
Right,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, Ishika, please go ahead.
Sir, so this year we had Union Bank coming in for probationary officer role. Then we had associate IT controls role as well, territory manager. Then we had associate in SAS, commercial analyst. These were some of the, roles that we got in for final placements. Then for summer internship, we had portfolio management intern, equity research intern, technical consulting, research development. So these were some of the roles that we had on board for summer internship this year.
Okay. Okay. And all kids are getting placed for summers?
Yeah. Absolutely. We are like, I'd really like to bring this to everybody's notice that we had 100%, summer internship placement this year, and we were able to, successfully achieve the target for our students. So yes.
Perfect. Perfect. So coming back to you and Vidisha coming back to you. Tell me how's the peer group, engineer, non-engineer, commerce ke bache. How competitive is the peer group in IMI Bhubaneswar?
Okay, so I think talking about the peer group, we have like students coming from various backgrounds. Like we have students who are from English honors, we have students who are from BBA or BCom. We also have a lot of engineering students in our batch. So that is very diverse. And everyone comes like most people that I know of in my college comes from very decent undergraduation colleges. And also like we have our campus is very student driven. So we have different clubs and committees and
Mm.
students work collaboratively.
Mm.
So I think the peer group is very supportive. It's very decent. Everyone comes from good background.
Okay. Saradip, you tell me from the perspective of grooming, okay, or preparing students for the corporate world, okay. If you can tell me that how good is IM, so that will help other the students to understand because you're paying a good amount of money, right, to the college, right? College ka support provide.
So firstly, at the beginning of the campaign, we are designated with the faculty mentors itself, and
Mhm.
apart from that, we have our placement preparation committee that helps in preparing us for the finals and the SIP. We have different workshops, group discussions, mock interviews, even leadership
Mhm.
talks that are organized by our placement committee itself. And we have
Mhm.
also different sessions, mainly on marketing, finance, and HR held after classes, every week or so, which really
Mhm.
helps us in grooming for the placements and all.
Okay. And how are the faculties onboarded? Like, what sort of a teaching pedagogy you guys have?
So the faculties, one of the most highest qualifiable faculties all have PhD here. The marketing faculties are great here. You can go with the finance if you want. The HR in each and every domain, the faculties are top notch here.
Okay.
They have experience from IIMs also.
Okay. So, okay. And you also have that Harvard case study culture and all that.
Yes.
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 I'm just trying to understand because are we going to miss on something? Case study, Harvard is everything available at
Yes. Sir. Yes.
Okay. Last question for the day. Why somebody should be joining up?
Okay, sir. So I would like to take that question. So amongst IMI, Bhubaneswar and Calcutta, I think IMI has the largest campus. And our campus has greenery all around. So we have a very beautiful campus. Our campus life is
Okay.
something that drives most to
Mm.
the Bhubaneswar campus. And so then coming to what Sordeep said just now, that our faculty is top notch for especially
Mm.
for someone who is considering marketing. I think our
Mm.
faculty is really, really good in the marketing domain. They are very experienced.
Okay.
Everyone, like most faculties in our college, they have experience from very good B schools, prior like tier 1 B schools. So that is
Okay.
one point that we can consider.
So I'd like to take this up as well. So in terms of, digits, I'll speak. So last year, I think when I got into, I checked the digits were 12 lakh. The average CTC that went was somewhere around 12 lakh, and now it is 14 lakh. Trust me when I say this, it's doing pretty well in terms of final placements. I mean, if I personally compare from rest of the B schools that are out there, the placements have gone really well this year. Really well. Like being a, placement committee member, I can assure the students who would be watching this and who would be onboarded to IMI Bhubaneswar as well, they, fully they end up landing up in their dream jobs as well. So
What is it
this is
known for? Like the achhi companies, marketing companies, let's say finance companies, HR. What is it? What is IMI Bhubaneswar known for?
So if I divide, sector wise, so we had, 36% of the companies from say for sales and marketing. Then we had somewhere around 28% for BFSI. Then consulting also we had 15%. Then we had 11% and rest of the others in either automobile or, some other sectors. So that is how the segregation was done sector wise.
Okay. Can you name a few giant recruiters on your campus? These are like top three. If marketing, but these are top three. Can you name them, Ishika?
So like there was, Exide, we had Arch Supply Chain, we had TBS on board, we had Deloitte, CapG.
So these are all sales and marketing.
Yeah, these were in, sales and marketing. Then we had, like I stated before as well, South Indian Bank for probationary officer role. Then in BFSI, we already also had Federal Bank on board. We had ICICI Bank. So
Okay.
these were some of the companies in multiple sectors.
So mostly जो tier 2 में companies आती है, I think मोटा-मोटी 80-90% वो companies आपके campus पे भी आती है. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, understood. Okay, because I think South Bank goes everywhere, Federal goes everywhere, ICICI Bank goes everywhere. Fair enough. Sauradeep, what are pointers that you would like to add? Why IMI Bhubaneswar?
So one particular point apart from the academics is that Bhubaneswar is really a peaceful city. So just you can enjoy here a bit, relax a bit, and you can focus in your studies as Vidisha mentioned that we have a huge campus, so you can just roam around here. There's a lush greenery there, so you can relax and focus on your studies. You can engage in particular sports activities and everything, and you can just chill a bit and focus on your studies. So that's
Okay, cool. Alright, so guys, देखो IMI Bhubaneswar का review. We got students from IMI, they're like first year. You can also get in touch with them on LinkedIn, by the way. But if you still have any questions about IMI, please feel free to comment on this video. We'll be more than happy to answer your queries. And guys, I wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. Do really good. And अगले साल बड़ी बड़ी company crack करना. Would love to see you again. Take care. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Bye guys.
Thank you,
thank you,
sir.
sir.